In this video, we are going to be talking about the ortho-K lenses. Now, orthokeratology lenses or the ortho-K lenses are rigid contact lenses. Now, these lenses are fitted on the black part of the eye or the cornea overnight. How do they work? The normal cornea is steep in the center and flat in the corners. Ortho-K lenses have a reverse morphology. That means they are flat in the center and steep in the edges. Now, what this does when it is sitting on the cornea overnight is it changes the shape of the cornea because of the pressure. Now, when the management is going on with ortho-K lenses, the child usually is wearing these contact lenses overnight, and because of long use, the shape of the cornea changes. The child is able to see without glasses during the day. As the day ends, the shape of the cornea almost keeps going back to normal, and hence a requirement to use these contact lenses again at night. These changes are temporary as long as you're wearing the contact lenses. In myopia, whatever you see, the central part doesn't get focused onto the macula, which is the main vision area of your eye. It gets focused in front of the eye. When you're wearing spectacles, the image is then shifted to focus onto the macula, and hence things become clear. Now, what happens is the image from the sides, which is the periphery, gets focused on all corners of the retina, but it gets focused behind the retina. Now, this peripheral blur actually triggers the growth of eyeball. The brain starts thinking that the eyeball needs to be bigger in size so that everything becomes focused, and this is a trigger for a growth of eyeball and hence increase in myopia. Now, ortho-K lenses, the way they work is they reduce this peripheral blur, and hence the trigger for growth in the actual length is also reduced. What are the side effects of this treatment? Of course, rigid contact lenses are quite hard and they could be quite uncomfortable to the child who's wearing them. Number two, as with any contact lenses, there is a risk of infection always, and care has to be taken while you're using these contact lenses. So we are going to be making more videos on various management options for myopia. If you have any questions, please reach out to us or your local eye doctor to find out more about what works best for you or your child.